Here's how to install our underglow kits at home and what is needed or included. The kit itself and your interior kit if you are installing that too. In the kit, you will find the Quick Start Guide. This explains the basic installation process and wiring guide. Your LED strips, your connector harness to run between your strips, your main wiring harness, and your installation hardware. You will need to supply a cleaning agent for the surface, a microfiber, tools to undo the battery terminals, a jack and jack stands, and your phone to use the app. Before we install it in the car, we want to test the kit out of the vehicle to ensure everything works and to understand the wiring. Lay the harness out, locate your battery wires, your switch, the Bluetooth controller, the driver module, and your LED strip wires. Connect your two front strips to these wires and power on and connect the kit with your phone. To begin with, if your battery is in the rear of the vehicle, your front strips will become your rear, and the driver module can be installed in the boot. If your battery is in your engine bay, you will need to install the driver in the engine bay and route wires through the firewall. Once you have successfully routed your wires, pull the two wires to where you will be mounting the front strips. We will come back to these shortly. Then, on the interior of the vehicle, pull through the harness for your switch and the Bluetooth controller. You can tuck these wires out of sight with interior trims or carpet. Each car will be different. Hide your Bluetooth controller, then locate and mount your switch. Now you are ready to install the strips themselves. Firstly, if you have an interior kit, you will need to fit the supplied Y connectors to both the LED connectors off of the harness. One splitter will go back inside the car and power your interior lights. The other splitter stays underneath to plug into the two LED strips. With the interior kit, add an extension cable to each of the Y connectors inside the car, then join to the first two interior strips. You can tuck and hide these wires under carpet or trims. Each car will be different. Install the interior strips the same way as your exterior ones with the following steps. You can start by cleaning all surfaces where you will be mounting LEDs too. Make sure you test fit the lights and mark their position for the best coverage of your vehicle. Install all 6 strips by removing the red tape and pressing firmly on the strips. You can add heat with a hairdryer or heat gun to help the tape set quicker. Be sure to use the provided installation hardware to stop any strips sagging over time. Next, run your connector cables between every strip, ensuring these are correctly secured with cable ties and away from any moving suspensions parts or tires. If you damage any parts in the process or after installation, we offer replacement parts for the entire kit, so you're never left without a working underglow kit. If you purchased Invisi strips, install them 1 to 2 inches outside of your LED strip. Then do a visual check over of everything, connect the negative and positive terminal on the battery, turn your kit on, and enjoy your EL Glow. We also highly recommend spending time exploring the app and its features for the best experience.